MSY BIGSUNNY 7pcs knife block set, German steel chef knife set, precious Pakkawood handle for kitchen knife block set. The knife blade is made of premium German stainless steel at 58 ± 2 Rockwell hardness with a hand-polished edge at 12 to 15 degrees per side. Expertly crafted with a tapered stainless steel edge that cuts with ease and efficiency. Pakkawood handle for a durable yet balanced and comfortable grip. Every curve and angle of the handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable and ambidextrous hold. The shape of the blade also brings you a minimal slicing resistance. Most importantly, excitement back to cooking. The blade is hand-polished to a satin finish, revealing a stunning look. Premium Pakkawood handles highlights the harmony appearance to the whole piece. We promise a superior product that will give you a lifetime of exemplary service. Try it risk-free, we know you'll love it. Get best price and discount for this product by link in description. See you.